It was feared that the probe could hit fragments of ice or rock, and that these could cause significant damage. Cassini made the step with her radio plate pointing forward like a shield. But the most recent analysis indicates that there was almost no impact and the probe particles did only strike were smoke-sized. "The region between the rings of Saturn and is the Great Void, apparently," commented Cassini project director Earl Maize of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. Cassini stayed the course while scientists work on the mystery of why the level of dust is much lower than expected. The result is good news because 4 of the remaining gap runs that Cassini will run before finishing his mission in September will sharpen even closer to D's inner ring of Saturn. It is also expected that these maneuvers to see the probe cable with its antenna in shield configuration. Last Wednesday's experience now means drivers can approach these events with greater confidence. Cassini is set aside to make another 21 dips through the opening of the entire cloud layer between 3,000 kilometers of the planet and the D-ring, with the following occurring at 1938 Greenwich Mean Time Tuesday. The dives are designed to return data of unprecedented resolution in the interior structure and dynamics of Saturn's interior. They should also allow the probe to weigh the rings, which will give scientists their best estimate of the age of these spectacular bands. Currently, no one is quite sure if the rings are as old as the planet or are a relatively recent phenomena, perhaps the result of a breakup of a moon or even a comet that came too close to the giant world. NASA intends to dump Cassini into Saturn's atmosphere on September 15. After 20 years in space, the satellite is running out of fuel and controllers want to be sure that there is no possibility of a future collision with the moons of Titan and Enceladus, which could support conceivable that simple microbial life.